In this episode of Hipa How To, we will show how to adjust the chain on a Husqvarna 440 chainsaw. Many other Husqvarna models will also have a similar procedure. Begin by loosening the securing nut on the side of the saw. It needs only to be loose enough for the chain to adjust freely. Locate the adjusting screw on the side of the case and use the screwdriver end to make adjustments. Turn to the right to tighten and left to loosen. Use one hand to hold the top of the bar or brace the bar on a hard surface. This is important as your chain will likely be too tight if you skip this step. Tighten the chain and test by using your other hand to pull the chain down near the middle of the bar. Doing this on a properly adjusted chain will show approximately 3/4 of any drive tooth and will snap back flush with the bar when it's released. Retighten the nut and you're ready to cut. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and tapping the bell notification below. Hipa has a full line of parts and accessories for your small machines, including our exclusive all-in-one maintenance and repair kits. Visit us at hipastore.com.